If your Beats Flex wireless earphones are showing a white flashing or blinking LED, especially while charging or even randomly, and you don't know why it's happening, you can't get rid of it, well, in this quick tutorial, we'll explain what this means, why it happens, and what you can try to fix it. Now, generally, white light keeps flashing happens when the earphones are on pairing mode. So the thing is, bear with me. What we do while turning it on or off, we just press and hold on this power button for too long and it just takes it into pairing mode. So to turn it on, just press on this button till the white light shows its face, release it. And to turn it off, just press once over the power key and then release the button. Now, apart from that, white flashing LED while charging or randomly can even happen for software glitch. Whatever the reason is, the best fix is to reset your earphones. For that, you need to press and hold on this volume down key near the Beats logo and the power key together. Just keep holding it down for, about 8 to 10 seconds while it shows flashing red and then blinking white later on. That means it's on pairing mode. You can just go ahead and repair it with any device you want and the white flashing LED will just turn off. Thanks for watching.